Hey there, productivity pros! Today I've got something special for all you WPS Writer users out there. 10 time-saving tips that will take your document game to the next level. Whether you're writing reports, essays, or even your next big novel, these tips will help you save time and get more done. And you can try WPS Writer for free right now by clicking the download link in the description below. So, grab your keyboard and let's dive into these game-changing tips. My first tip is that WPS Writer isn't just for essays or reports. It's also perfect for creating resumes, letters, and a wide range of other documents. And here's the kicker. It comes with a massive library of free templates for all these types of documents. All you have to do is click on New and browse through the templates to find one that suits your needs. It's such a time saver, especially if you're starting from scratch. Why reinvent the wheel when WPS Writer has already done the hard work for you? Now, let's talk about something that's going to make your workflow so much smoother. The tab view. Instead of cluttering your screen with multiple windows for different documents, WPS Writer lets you work on all your files in one window using tabs. It's like having a browser for your documents, super convenient, way less cluttered, and honestly, it just feels more organized. Once you try it, you'll never go back. Alright, tip number 3 is all about working smarter, not harder, mastering shortcut keys. For example, Ctrl+S to save, Ctrl+Z to undo, and Ctrl+Shift+L to insert a bullet list. These little shortcuts might seem small, but they add up to big time savings. And here's a pro tip. You can even customize your own shortcuts in the settings to match your workflow. It's like having your own personal productivity hack. Speaking of hacks, let's move on to tip number 4, the Find and Replace tool. This one's a lifesaver when you need to make quick edits across a large document. Just hit Ctrl+H, type what you're looking for, and replace it in seconds. But here's the cool part. You can also use it for more complex tasks, like formatting changes. It's a simple tool, but it's incredibly powerful when you know how to use it. Now, let's talk about something that's going to save you from a lot of heartache: Autosave. Go to the settings and turn it on to make sure you never lose your work. Trust me, this feature is a lifesaver, especially when you're working on something important. It's like having a safety net for your documents, and it gives you that extra peace of mind. You'll feel more secure and confident knowing your work is always safe. Alright, tip number 6 is all about flexibility. Saving your files to WPS Cloud. This is a game changer if you're working across multiple devices. You can access your documents from anywhere: your laptop, your phone, even your tablet. Plus, it keeps your files safe and secure, so even if your computer crashes, your work is still there waiting for you. Now let's say you're working on a really long document, like a report or a manuscript. Tip number 7 is to use the split and merge features. You can break your document into smaller sections for easier editing. Or if you've got multiple files, you can merge them into one. It's all built right into WPS Writer, and it's super easy to use. Trust me, this will save you so much time. Tip number 8 is perfect for those of you who collaborate with others or just like to review your own work. The Comment and Track Changes features. You can leave notes, suggestions, and even see exactly what's been changed in your document. It's like having a built-in editor, and it makes teamwork so much easier. Alright, we're almost at the finish line. Tip number 9 is all about exporting your document to PDF. With just one click, you can go to File, select Export to PDF, and you're done. It's quick, it's easy, and it ensures your formatting stays intact. No more worrying about your document looking different on someone else's screen. And finally, tip number 10, customize your toolbar. This is one of those small changes that makes a big difference. Add the tools you use most often to the quick access toolbar, and you'll save so much time navigating through menus. It's all about making WPS Writer work for you. And there you have it, 10 time-saving tips for WPS Writer users. These tricks will help you work faster, smarter, and with way less stress. If you're ready to try WPS Writer for yourself, click the link in the description to download it for free today. And if you're curious about what else WPS Office can do, check out our next video, How to Edit PDFs for Free with WPS PDF. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip. I'll see you in the next one. Happy writing!